Hi, everybody. Welcome back. If you are returning to my channel, welcome to my wig den. And those of you who are new to my channel, also welcome. If you're new, please make sure that you hit the like and subscribe button. Even those of you who are not new, please hit like. I am going to be doing another wig try on and review for you. This particular wig, it shouldn't be too much of anything. It pretty much looks, I think, like this one. I bought that one a while ago. So I don't remember completely, but I think it's one of those try-ons and we're done. So just wanted to show it to you. It does have a bang, and I'm not going to talk too much about it right now until I get it out of the package. But I did want to talk to you a little bit about this one. I think it looks just like this one pretty much, except for the color might be a little different. This particular wig I have one right now, I cut it. It was getting kind of rough and crazy looking. I didn't like how long it was. I think I look better with the shorter hair. I'm kind of getting to a point where I like the hair that's shoulder length. So I did cut it, and I feel like it looks so much better. So I'm wondering, is this going to be another one that I am probably going to end up cutting? If it's too long, or I'll probably wear it long for a while and then I'll cut it. But anyhow, enough said. Let's go ahead and get into the wig. Okay. So this particular wig, got it right here. It's by a company called Nominee. I've never heard of them before. You know what? Let me take it out of the package so that I don't get the glare. Okay, so this is it right here. Okay. All right, so, yep, long hair, bang. I've got two different colors in here. So let me just say this. Okay, so, it says red carpet premium nominee. Tail braid. There's a braid in this? Color shown. Oh, that's the color shown. Okay. All right, so we're going to try this on and see what this is all about. I will show this part to you, but I will talk about it, and I will leave all the information about the wig in the description. So if you are interested in it, you'll have all of the information, the color, and the style number. Okay, so let's get into this wig. All right. Oh, so I did get a little bit of blonde inside of it, so color's just a little bit darker. It seems like I've been going with my dark colors. Okay. So let's go ahead and take this out. Once again, this one's going to be a real simple one. It's a shake, put on, and we out of here. Okay, which is what I like. I don't have time for all of that installation craziness. Not gonna get that from me. Installation. Okay, I gotta spend hours putting something on that's supposed to be easy and ready to go. I mean, I know we want to look natural, but please make them look natural. All right, so I'm just gonna cut that off. That'll be the easiest way to get this out of the comb. Let's get this. Come on, get out of here. Okay, well, you know what? I can't get this out. I'll get it out a little bit later. Oh, there we go. It's out. Okay, so this one will be an easy try on. It's pretty light. Feels good coming out of the box. The style is NW18. That's what it's called, NW18. I'm going to go ahead and remove the wig that I'm wearing right now. Okay. Let's make sure that my hair is nice and secured inside. All right, so, oh, this is really light. Feels good. I hope it feels good on too. All right, so now the only thing that I'm noticing here, which I did have in the other one as well, is the stitching. I'm hoping that the stitching is not crazy, but it looks pretty decent. It looks like we're gonna be just fine. Now this is a perfect wig for just every day. Just gotta put something on, run to the store real quick. Maybe you want to have a bang that particular day. This is the one. Okay, and it's light also, so you can put a hat on top of it, a scarf, a band. Okay. Where's my where did my brush go? Oh, here's my brush. Okay. I just get new attitude every time I get new hair. All right, so yo. All right, so it's really nothing to this one. I mean, there's just no. And the nice thing about these particular wigs is if you don't necessarily want to leave the length, you can cut the length off. You can you can do that yourself and have yet a whole another style. Okay, wait a minute. Now I do want the color because it looks like the color, it's like a streak. Okay, but what did they do with the streak? Wait a minute. All right, I want to make sure that the streak is kind of evenly spread out and not like big chunks of hair in different spots. But I do like the, oh yeah, look at that. Okay, all right, so you've got a little bit of, now what's the color? Okay, so it's the color is F1B, so this is the darker hair, that's the 1B, and 1B is actually my color, and you have the streaks of the 30, which I like that. I like that a lot. So just make sure that as you're combing that you're actually blending out the streaks so that you don't have big chunks all over the place, unless you want big chunks. I don't know. I don't want big chunks. I just want it to kind of be blended throughout. I like that better. Now, I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to wear this for a little bit to see. I'm not going to cut my bang right now. I just kind of want to wear it and see how I feel about it. Because as I said before, a lot of times, you just try a wig on for the first time. And let me get up just a little bit so that you can see, okay, the length of the wig. All right. Whew. You see the length of the wig here. Okay, I'll turn around so that you can see that. All right. And this is how much did I pay for this wig? This wig, oh yeah, oh yeah, $24.99. $24.99, and to tell you the truth, what you can do is you can get extras of these and you can cut it so that you have a shorter, what do you call it, bob. You have a shorter bob. I know that there are those bobs. I did wear one bob. Oh, I love that bob. I've got to come back with a review on that particular one because I loved it. I'm going to tell you all the things that I liked and I didn't like about it. But yes. Now, oh, you know what? Some different colors would be nice. What are the available colors here? Okay, so the available colors on this, oh, they have several different colors. I might try the OM27. They go from dark, I guess. I don't know what this SMP 1B Garnet, I don't know what that is. Okay, but I would like to have this like in a blonde, a blonde, not that crazy blonde that I wore before that was really bright, but a Beyonce type blonde. And I can put a ring on it, I can't. I need to put my ring back on. I can't wait, and I can't put my ring back on. Okay, you can also do this. So, there are other things that you can do with this hair. This is some very versatile hair. So if you're looking for versatility in hair, comfort, just a quick fix, put it on and go. Don't have to worry about your leave out or the wig riding back. This is perfecto. Okay, so you see my hair. I hope you like it. And like I said, I'll leave all the information in the description bar. description box rather, so that you, if you choose to get it, you know what it is. So I'll be back with yet another video coming up on how to restore a wig, because I did kill this poor baby. Look at the wig. Look at me. I'm destroyed. Now I'm gonna revive you. I'm gonna revive you. All right. So meet me again. Once again, make sure that if you have not subscribed, that you do hit the subscribe button and get the notifications for when I come up with my next video. But until then, peace out. Yeah.